Unpacking the Hype Around Keto Diet Benefits. A keto diet is a way of eating that favors foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. The objective is to consume more fat calories than carbohydrate. The diet works by stimulating the body's sugar storage to be reduced. As a result, it will begin to break down fat in order to generate energy. This stimulates the production of particles called ketones, which it consumes as fuel. The body's ability to burn fats might result in weight reduction. The standard ketogenic diet and the cyclical ketogenic diet are two different forms of keto diets. Which are the benefits of the keto diet? 1. Aids in weight reduction. 2. Helps with acne. 3. Reduces the incidence of some malignancies. 4. It has the potential to improve heart health. 5. It has the potential to protect brain function. 6. Has the potential to lessen seizure frequency. 7. Relieves symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome. 8. Triglycerides get a noticeable decrease. 9. Diabetes and insulin resistance sufferers will benefit from this. 10. Blood pressure may be decreased. I hope this video helped you better understand the keto diet and decide whether this diet is good for you. If you enjoyed the video, click that like button and subscribe. Share your keto diet experience, if any, in the comment section. Thanks for watching.